Get it to the D, to the O, to the N. It's the next freestyle, you know. It name Lyrics with Gimmicks, Part 1. Drop the beat, dog. Long time I stay stubborn, you know. Look at me now. Long time I want to drop on a beat and a bad man style, you know. Rep Venomous, Boneyard, Road Force. Yeah, alright. Alright. Man a bad man, me no love man, me no love man, me no put man above y'all. Me look y'all, check y'all, and fuck y'all, tight hold y'all, no bitch, no slut y'all. We take boy y'all and boy this. Gun chop pick them like outticks, bullet chop them like axe pick. Me rise the shot till look on this. Banana clip me empty quick, me squeeze the chick and never stick before him run and him start sprint. Me tell him nothing, move no quick. Looking at my nozzle, look how my gun shine. It a bazo, boy feel like him drunk and frazzle. Yeah, me no man.
Hi everybody. Yo, you know it's the boy Kaydan, you know, okay, to the D, to the O, to the N, to the friend with your friend, to the friend boy Kaydan. Music, you see me? Kaydan is just a humble kid, you know, born and raised in the beautiful island of Jamaica, Parish St. Catherine, hometown Glengarry, big up Glengarry, you know. But yeah, you know, I'm just a humble down to earth kid, outgoing. Love fool around, have fun, and has the biggest passion for music. I love music with a passion. When I shower, I sing. Easily, I was singing and drink music. Like, I just love music at a point where even when I make it, I'm still doing it. And I'm more of a laid back type of person who, you know, just always a chill one. Always a smile. You can't really tell that I'm angry. There's just always a smile on my face. You get me? Yeah, man, Kaydan is known for his hardcore style, as people call it. The lyrics, the normal, the flow, the normal, I got that fast flow. So it sounds like PMW freestyle.
1, 2, 3, pass the microphone. Let me rip up the bass. Sylvester Stallone, y'all say me smell sweet, yeah, fresh that cologne. Them see the Long John one sip on the throne. Yeah, me talk patois, them proper. Kaydan, that Jamaican rap.
Lyrics with gimmicks.
Me no fear them, me scare them. Boy them lipping, me hear them. Boy them tracing on the baiting, make me go talk and beat them. Like a robot, he race them.
Walk them hard.
Make him sweat like she running a marathon. One girl road me a tread along. Girl them left them next one without a question. I meet them recommend. Tell them friend girls them love the lens high grade boots up with that super gen. Go for them beat it like a Congo.
And then what have the more laid back thing now, like facts of life.
It's a part of life. When your friend them switch pon you catch you by surprise. You realize them a wolf in shape. The sky spit lies. Say them are your friend and them a look your wife not nice.
Memories.
I never know you would have gone so soon. Now yesterday me and you visit your father too. My whole raising. I know me here said them take your life this evening. Your little sister grave and your mother weeping.
But I started music officially in 2011. But 2010 I came here not working home board. But decided to alright, boom. Get a webcam, touch YouTube, find some instrumentals and write a song. And then, like, I think the song was Can't Leave. I write a song but entitled Can't Leave. And I recorded it on my webcam and put it on Facebook. And people was like, yo, nigga, you're sick, you know? Full of talent, you know? I say, yeah. So I said, alright, boom. I'm alright, some more. Did a couple more videos and put them on Facebook and people like, yo, nigga, you're hard, no blue. Continue with the talent. And I said, me have talent when it comes to music, like, but just couldn't believe some people say, I love the music and but for continue it. Life on a whole inspires me, you know. Like, things I see around me. How I got the name Kaydan? Well, you know, I want to say the K, my name is Kevon. So I took the K from Kevon and added to Dan. I'm a Dan at what I do. I'm a Dan at this music. I'm a Dan at my own flow. Do I write my own songs? It's funny when people always ask me that. Oh yeah, I write my own songs. Where do I see myself in the future? I see myself climbing the Billboard charts, get the #1 spot. Something people don't know about me is that I can actually sing. I'm gonna give you a little preview of what I can do when it comes to singing. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Boom. Don't say okay that. My clique, Workforce Entertainment. That's my bro. Big them up. They know themselves. You see it?
You realize them a wolf in keep the sky spit lies. Say them are your friend and them a look your wife not nice. That bun your hotter than hot rice. Black rice stop behind the back behind closed walls. Want see you flop, want see you drop, want see you pop. But me flip it pon them. Call that counter attack. Know them sinking like a ship, you like a ship. I'm like a brick you can't up. With my meds heard what I said, full you up a lead. That's word to the dead, not literally, but I see them career dying.